Good day, good people. In today's lesson, tikuda kuita my exterior angles, but we are building from the lesson we did yesterday, where we looked at interior angles. Saka, let us just discuss a little about interior angles so that we can transition into studying exterior angles. So when we spoke about interior angles, we made it clear kuti ma-angles anenge ari mukati meshape. So let us imagine this hexagon, which has 6 sides, as you can evidently see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually 7 sides. Correct, it's an heptagon. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pema-interior angles, we are referring to these angles inside. But if your memory takes you back to our first lesson under mensuration, we discussed kuti for every interior angle, there is an associate exterior angle. So we can write this as a note. Very important. For every interior angle, Saka, this symbol represents angle, there is an associate exterior angle. Mururimi rwamai tiri kuti pese patiine interior angle, painterior angle ipapo tinenge titorine an exterior angle. How do we determine that? So what we do is we extend this line, lines edaya, we extend these lines, and like this, we are extending them anyhow so that they become straight lines. We produce the straight lines. Angle inenge iri panapa inenge ichienderana ne that interior angle, and this interior angle tikureva angle ino ingatiti ndi x, angle iri kunze uku ndi y. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Saka we are just extending straight lines, and pakuextenda ma straight lines apa, we just have to make sure kuti it's a straight line. So the way you extend can differ dependent on maybe ndingati your preference. Zvandiri kureva pano ndeizvi. Let us say you have two triangles. You can extend like this. All right, let me put the two triangles panapa. So you can extend like this, so that angle ine angle E, and this is the interior angle, and that's the associate exterior angle. Or per same point panapa, you can extend like this. So you need the same effect. This will be the exterior angle, and this the interior angle. But fact yakanyanya kukosha, pa interior angle yega yega atori neexterior angle. Tinoiwana seexterior angle yacho, tinongowedzera kurebesa line kuitira kuti interior angle plus exterior angle zvitipe 180 degrees. Saka zvatabva kudzidza izvi, let us now write down a very important fact. Very, very important. And the fact is this, it's actually a nota bene fact. Inoti, the sum of the exterior angles, so the sum of the exterior angles of any, underline any, polygon or shape is 360 degrees. And saka ndo panouya the first main difference between interior and exterior angles. Tiri kuti tikaedha ma-exterior angles any shape, we can work with what we have already. Tine heptagon panapa, and these are the exterior angles andiri kuisa apa. Yeah, those are the exterior angles. Then panapa we have a triangle, and these are the exterior angles. Saka tikaedha this angle plus this tinowana 360 degrees. Tikaedha zvakare this angle plus this plus this plus this plus that plus this and plus this tinowana futi 360 degrees. So that's important. That's the essence of it all. In order for us to be able to solidify this, let us do some few practice questions which tell us what tinowekana zvosei. This is our practice question. Calculate the interior angles of a regular decagon. So this takes after zvatakadzidza in our yesterday lesson. It's not necessarily about exterior angles, even though we can also do this using method exterior angles. So let us start with method interior angles. So what should I write here? Maybe I can just say interior angle method. So interior angle method. And an important word, especially per question yedu, is this word regular. So the word regular is the one which is going to give us enough information to solve this question using the exterior angle method. So let us start with the interior angle method. What are we doing? What are we saying? So looking at the interior angle method, tells us to calculate the interior angles of a regular decagon. Saka the sum of interior angles, you have to always remember this little formula. The sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 1 times is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So we want to find the sum total of angles, all the interior angles. How do we do that? We know that n is equal to 10 because it's a decagon. And vaita enough grace for vatowedzera pamusoro kuti 10 sides. So it's just a mere example of substitution. N minus 2 means 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which leads us to 8 times 180 degrees. And what is this equal to? If we multiply 8 times 180, we get 1440 degrees. This is what we get. But reading again our question yedu haisi the sum of all the angles inside the interior angle. Question yedu yati calculate the interior angles of a regular decagon. Iri kungoda one angle chete. Kana question ichida a sum, you can look pa lesson ratakaita previously. Inoto specify kuti iri kuda the sum. But in this instance, question yedu haisi kuda sum, iri kungoda kuziva kuti what is going to be the interior angle of this regular decagon. Saka kuti twane the interior angle, tenge tangoti interior angle intuitively is equal to, since this is regular, zvoreva kuti each interior angle is equal to the other. That's what regular means. Ma angles ese, they are equal in terms of how much they are. For example, equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. That's just an example. So the interior angle here is going to be 1440. Aya injo sum yema angles ese ari mukati me this decagon. Tikadivide na 10, which is the number of the sides. Tinoona kuti each angle is going to be equal to 144 degrees, and this is our final answer. So I hope you got it, especially the last part yekuchitsvaga kuti ko angle 1 iri imbori chii, using information yekuti taudzwa kuti our shape is regular. Let us now apply what we have learned in today's lesson. kuti tinozviapply sei. Saka I'm just going to call it, of course you have to elect, you choose which one, but if it were up to me, maquestions andokwanisa kuanswer neinterior angle method, ndongoshandisa interior angle method. But let us use the exterior angle method. So the exterior angle method inoti kudini? Tadzidza kuti the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. And we have learned that. And we already know a decagon has 10 sides, and the 10 sides dzinorevei 10 interior angles and also 10 exterior angles. Remember, tadzidza futi kuti for every interior angle there is an associative, cannot an associate exterior angle. We have learned that. So a decagon has 10 sides, 10 interior and 10 exterior angles. The 10 exterior angles, they add up to 360 degrees. Saka zvina basa kuti shape ine 100 sides here. Hazvina basa kuti shape ine 3 sides here. So long ari my exterior angles, they are going to add up to 360 degrees. Since this is a regular polygon, I underlined the term regular. Kureva kuti the sides are equal to each other. Kureva kuti the interior angles are equal to each other. And by association, the exterior angles are also equal to each other. We wrote it as a statement in one of our earlier lessons. How are we going to do that? Okay. So let us just imagine part of this shape. Of course, I'm not going to put shape in it 10 sides up. And Tomo going to draw. Sakangatiti, this is just part of that shape. And okay. Then we have this is our interior angle, and that is our exterior angle. That's just a snapshot of part of that shape. Murkuona. Taudza kuti my exterior angles ese tikamaedha anotipa 360, of which tine ma exterior angles mangani? Tine 10. Saka the statement we want to write here is one exterior angle inenge equal to chi. One exterior angle it's equal to, tikaedha ma exterior angles ese anotipa 360 degrees, asi isusu tine 10 ma exterior angles. You see? And tiri kugona kuzviita izvi because shape yedu iri regular. Kana shape iri regular, zvinoreva kuti my interior angles are equal. Pamwe chetepo my exterior angles are equal. Just a quick example to explain this. Equilateral triangle, that's my go-to. So let's draw yakadai. So we know kuti since these sides are equal, this will be 60, 60, and 60. Can I calculate this exterior angle? It's just 180 minus 60, which is 120. 180 minus 60 pano, 120. 180 minus 60, 120. So you can see kuti kana ma uyu shape yedu anditi iri regular. My interior angles anenge ari equal, my exterior angles anenge ari equal pakare. But let us do the opposite side of things. Let us say we have let us call it a scalene triangle. And scalene yedu yakamira sei? Scalene yedu yakati panapa tine 100 degrees. Then panapa tine 50 degrees. Panapa tine 30. Like that. My exterior angle yedu anenge akamira sei? Panapa it's exterior angle tinoiwana nekuti 180 minus 100, so that it's 80. Panapa tichati 180 minus 50. What do we get? Tinowana 130. And then kunze kunoku tikati 180 minus 30 tinowana chi 150. So as you can see, my exterior angles edu akasiyana nepamusana pekuti my interior angles akasiyana. But we can take this a little further. Tikaedha 130, 150 na 80 tofanirwa kuwana chi 360. Saka 0 panapa 8 plus Actually, this is 5 plus 3, which is also 8. Because it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Saka 8 plus 8 is 16 to carry 1. 1, 2, 3. 360. As you can see. So, zvataratidza panapa ndezvekuti kana tiine irregular shape, ma-interior angles are equal, ma-exterior angles anenge ari equal zvakare, and you can actually do the same panapa. If we add ma-120, we evidently get 360. But kana shape yedu isina ma-regular sides, it's a different story. So because shape yedu ine ma-regular sides, you see, that is what is giving us enough clout kuita zvatiri kuda kuita izvi. Mapaona? Okay. So we are dividing this by 10 because we know that the sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. Asi we have 10 exterior angles. Saka tikadivide 10 into 360 tichawana kuti exterior angle 1 yakakura sei, and we see kuti it's equal to 36 degrees. Taona kuti it's equal to 36 degrees. Question yedu iri kuda interior angle. Saka panapa we have 36. Saka kunze kunoku is 36 and shape yedu yakadai so like this. Mukati inenge iri chii? Saka kuti tichiwana the interior angle manje, tinenge takuti chi 180 minus 36 degrees. And 180 minus 36 kubva papi, it's a straight line. We always have a straight line kana tiine tikabatanidza exterior and interior. We showed it, it's always equal to 180 degrees. So kana tapiwa an interior angle, we can use that kwa exterior. Kana tapiwa an exterior, we can use that kwa an interior using the relationship of 180 degrees. So if we say 180 subtract 36, we get 144 degrees. And as you can see, this 144 degrees is the same answer as yatawana panapa. Saka this is the answer we are getting. So as you can see, the exterior angle method, it takes you directly to the answer. The interior angle method, inoita senge yatenderera newo zvishoma, but takes you to the answer. But kuchema kwangu kuri pakuti tinzwisise this word regular. Kana risipo zvinhu zvinotosiyana. Handiti? Okay. Let us go to another practice question and see what we get out of it. This is the question we now want to deal with. How many sides is a regular polygon? And again, I emphasize the word regular is made an appearance. It's going to affect our working. How many sides is a regular polygon if each interior angle is 135 degrees? So how many sides is a regular polygon if each interior angle is 135 degrees? Okay. So what's happening here is this. Let us use the interior angle method and then the exterior angle method. So I'm giving you both. I want you to learn them both, but I also want you to have this acknowledgement of which one is easier for you. So I hope I am not confusing you by teaching this way. So the interior angle method, toda kuziva the number of sides that a regular polygon has if each interior angle is 135 degrees. Let us start with this example, equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is the equilateral triangle. We know kuti each panapa it's going to be 60, 60 and 60. Saka kuri kuti tapiwa 60 degrees is the interior angle, tinoziva sei kuti shape iyo ine 3 sides. Manzwisisa? Yeah. Saka we know kuti the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. in this case. But let us not use 180 degrees. Let us say the sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Hatisi kuziva kuti shape yacho ichi, toda kutoziva kuti masides mangani. Saka the sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Mapaona? But kana iriyo the sum of interior angles, one interior angle inenge iri equal to chi? Inenge iri equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees over n. I know that I might have confused you somewhere panapa. What am I saying? Kana tichiziva kuti the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And we know this, it's a given. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. For one angle inenge equal to chi. Tiri kudivide the sum of the angles, n minus 2 times 180, dividing with n, which is the number of sides. We did this where we had a decagon to calculate the sum of all the angles of a decagon. Yabuda iri around 1440. Divide na 10 kuti tizive kuti one interior angle inenge iri chi. Saka it's the same thing chatiri kuita panapa, but tiri kuchiita tichishandisa maformulas ana n mukati. Then taziva kudaro, we also know kuti one interior angle of shape yedu it's equal to 60 degrees. Saka kana taziva izvozvo manje, zvoreva kuti tinofanirwa kungoti chi n minus 2 times 180 degrees over n, and this part is representing chi only one angle is equal to 60. Tikasolva iyi inofanirwa kutiudza kuti shape yedu ine masides mangani. Saka tikati n minus 2 tikaita cross multiplication apa, saka n minus 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 60 times n, like that. So tadaiso manje, what do we do? Toda kuwana kuti n ndiani. Remember, so let us expand kuside kunoku, inova 180 n minus 360 is equal to 60 n. Saka 60 ngaiende kuside uko, 180 n minus 60 n is equals to 360. Okay, what is 180 minus 60? So 180 minus 60 ndi 120. So 120 n is equal to 360. Divide both sides now 120. N is equal to chi. What is 360 dividing n? So 360 dividing 120, I meant, is equal to 3. So that is how it's done. Data engineering, we've engineered the answer. And I would understand if this method is a little too much for you. You just have to wait for the next method we are going to show you. And so don't worry if you didn't understand this method. But what did we get from this method? We got this. Saka, we can actually generalize this. If we are given the interior angle, and so when given the interior angle of a regular, and emphasis is on the word regular shape, and the number of sides. Sangati titapiwa the interior angle yacho tungati t and theta. So the number of sides is given by n minus 2 times 180 over n is equal to theta. This is overcomplicating things, Ama. If you understand it, kudos to you. But when we do the exterior angle, you're going to see that it's easier than it looks. So don't worry. But we want to use this first. Okay. So let us clear this part. Working edu chaiyo. So what is going to be our actual working? let us do it panapa. So we have discovered kuti tizive how many sides tichashandisa this relationship n minus 2 times 180 and it's of course degrees over n is equal to the interior angle yatapiwa panapa it's 135. So by cross multiplying tosara tina n minus 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 135 n. Chimwe chinhu chandanga kukuudzai, n yenyu should always be a whole number. You cannot have a shape with kana kuti 2.5 sides. It doesn't work like that. So n should always be a whole number. Okay, so we expand to left. 180 n minus 360 is equal to 135 n. Collect like terms. 180 n minus 135 n is equal to 360. So what is 180 minus 135? Tuone kuti zvinobuda ngei. 45. Saka 45 n panapa is equal to 360. If we divide both sides by 45, we are sure to get an answer like this. So 360 divided by 45, tunawana 8. This is an octagon. And it required. Let us do something which is more relatable, exterior angle method. So the exterior angle method. So for the exterior angle method, this is what we should do. Chekutanga, we imagine part of our shape. Saka ngodaiso. This is just part of it. And then to already like this. Saka this will be our interior angle, ino iri exterior angle. Saka panapa taudziwa kuti we have an interior angle of 135 and it's a regular polygon. Saka toda kuwana this exterior angle. So exterior angle inenge iri equal to chi? Just 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. And it saka tikati 180 minus 135 tinowana 45 and saka it's equal to 45 degrees panapa. Saka our exterior angle is 45 degrees. But tinoziva isusu kuti sum of exterior angles is always equal to chi? To 360. Saka kana tikada kuziva the number of sides, remember kuti masides ema-interior angles anenge equal to masides ema-exterior angles. So tikada kuziva the number of sides, tichatora the sum of exterior angles, which is 360. Because it's a regular shape, so divide ne1 exterior angle. Answer yatinowana panapa inofanirwa kuva the number of sides, which is 8. And you can actually see it by yourself kuti eventually panapa tati 360 dividing 45, which is the same zvataita apa. Saka we get the same answer. So in terms of complexity, I would argue kuti exterior angle method iri nani in such cases. Yekuti tapiwa interior angle, toda kuziva the number of sides. Asi kana mamaster with that method iyo, good for you. But I would encourage mushandise the exterior method, exterior angle method. Okay. The next phase of our lesson, we are just going to ease up and give you what we expect you to do as your assignment or your homework. So it's exercise 5C, chapter 5, new general mathematics 3. So tikuda kuti muite number 1, number 2. Then maita 1, 2, dot muite futi number 4, yes, number 5. And senge zvaita. But nepamusana pekukosha kwakaita number 4, let us do it together. This is the question we want to do together. Calculate x in Fig 5.13 A and B. Saka let us do this calculation to that x aningambori chi. So when we look at A, we can clearly see that A in my exterior angles. And for my exterior angles, tinoziva kuti sum of exterior angles. So I'm going to write it like this. Sum of exterior angles, we know that it's equal to 360 degrees. So what it simply means is, chika add my exterior angles awo anofanirwa kutipa 360. So tichatanga neino x plus 4x, we are going this direction, plus x plus 3x plus 2x plus x. So it says zvofanirwa equal to 360 degrees. Then we do the addition. X plus 4x into 5x plus x 6x plus 3x 7 8 9x, then 10 11x 12x. Saka 12x is equal to 360 degrees. Of course, kuwana x is simply dividing by 12. Saka what is 360 divided by 12? It's 30. Rot x is equal to 30 degrees. You can do the verification mega. How do you verify? You put 30 panapa. Apa you say 4 times 30. Panapa 30. Apo 3 times 30. Panapa 2 times 30. Apa 30. Add that stuff together, should give you 360, which is the sum of exterior angles of a shape. Okay, so A tapedza. Let us do B. But B yacho tiri kuita ipapa, so allow me to clear this space so that we can do B. Saka B yedu tichaita sei? Saka toda kushandisa method 1, which is the interior angle method. Saka it's the interior angle method. Then our method 2 is going to be the exterior angle method. But we cannot use the exterior angle method because of one thing. That is not a regular shape. How do we know it's not regular? Because pana 150, pana 90. So our exterior angles are going to be different. We cannot use exterior angle method. Saka using our method apa, we have to find the sum of interior angles, which is given by the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees. This is equal to, what is n? Number of sides. We can count them panapa. So the sides we have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's basically 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which is equal to, it's just 3 times 180. And what do we get per 3 times 180? 540. So it's 540 degrees. Then tawana kudaro, we know we have to add my interior angles edu AC, saka 150 degrees plus 90 degrees plus sinziri x plus x plus x. This is equal to 540 degrees. Saka what is 150 plus 90? So 150 plus 90 is 240. So atrukuti 240 degrees panapa plus x plus x plus x, that's 3x, is equal to 540. 3x is equal to 540, subtract 240. And what is 540 minus 240? 300. Saka panapa, it's 3x is equals to 300. Divide both sides na 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 3, that's 1, into 3, that's 1, is equal to 100 degrees. You can test it. Mkauya mukaisa 100 panapa plus 100 plus 100, mukaedha mufunga 540 degrees. So that will be our answer there. Then let us look at another subsection of our lesson. We want to consider what is called formal geometry. But Just hands up, formal geometry, we are not going to do everything. We are just going to consider what is material to SimSeco level. Saka, it's not everything we are going to do. Okay. Saka, we have some geometrical facts that are important. These basic facts are called theorems. Saka, we have theorems in geometry. And a theorem is, this is a body of facts which have been proven under different conditions. Theorems from the foundations upon, alright, theorems form the foundations upon which formal geometry is built. The following section shows how the proof of the theorem that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees leads to the proof of other angle properties of triangles and polygons. We are not interested in proofs. We are only interested in knowing what the theorems are. Theorem number 1. Saka the first theorem yamufanirwa kuziva ndeyekuti kudini, exterior angles, and iyi theorem takatomboihinda pataita psychogeometry. The exterior angles of a triangle is, or the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So it's equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. What do we mean? Tine triangle panapa. Then we produce line redu rakadai so. So that's the triangle we have. Panapa we have angle A na angle B. Kunze kuno tina angle C. Satungotaura panapa tiri kuti angle C inge iri equal to angle A plus B. And this is easy to test, by the way. Very easy. So this is the theorem. And let us just test it a little. Saka test yedu inotudza kuti kudini. Let us say we have an equilateral triangle. We know kuti panapa it's 60, apa it's 60. We also know kuti apo it's going to be 60. Saka panapa it's 60. Kana papari 60, what is this exterior angle? Exterior angle yedu inenge iri 180 minus 60, which gives us 120. And can you see kuti 120 iyo, which is the exterior angle, is equal to 60 plus 60. Can you see that? We can have another test panapa. We can actually call it an even a scalene triangle. Panapa pakavana 40 upon 40, for example. And this is not scalene, I'm sorry. Sangatiti apo pana 40, apo pana 50. What is this angle going to be? Angle inge equal to 180 degrees subtracting 40 plus 50. And ndangoshandisa nzira yatinowana nayo a missing angle kana tiine 2 angles. So that's 90. Saka panapa kana pari 90, what is this angle? It's just 180 minus 90, which is also equal to 90. Can you see kuti 90 iri kunze uku inenge iri equal to 40 plus 50. Saka this is just something to know. Kana makapiwa exterior angle inenge iri equal to the opposite interior angles, the sum of the opposite interior angles. Something beautiful to know. Okay, Saka, this is the first theorem we are interested in, and let us just do a quick rundown. Are there other theorems which are material to us? Otherwise, zvatatodzidza izvo it's sufficient. We do not have any other important stuff to know. Rather, I have one other question I want us to do together. Question yacho inowanikwa under exercise 5D mukaenda number 12. So let us do that question together. Okay, Basal 1, this is the question. In Fig 5.23, what is the value of the angle marked M. Saka angle marked M tinoiwana sei? You see? So iyo haizi triangle iyo. Ende hatifanirwe kutomboda kuita a triangle. Otherwise, we mess things up a lot. So this is how we calculate this. So tinoita ndakatopiwa shape yacho, saka allow me to let me reproduce it per side kuti zvinzwisisike zvandoda kutsanangura. Saka panapa pana x and apo pana y, panapa pana z, then we have line rokudai so, then rozodai so. Then this is angle M yatiri kutsvaga. Kaudzwa apo kuti it's 33, panapa it's 90, apo it's 22. So what we are going to do pano is, firstly, we have to know kuti angle ishi iri mukati imbori chii. And since uko kuside uko tina M, is it apparent kuti this is equal to 360 minus M because it's part of a complete revolution? Saka kana kunze iri M, mukati is 360 minus M. And it, okay. Then toverenga the number of sides of our shape. Shape yedu ine masides mangani? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, kana ine 4 sides, we can easily calculate the number of interior, the sum of interior angles. Saka tikati sum of interior angles panava, of course we know that it's going to be equal to 360, but ngatisadaro. Sum of interior angles is equal to, given by n minus 2 times 180, and we know that our n is 4, saka 4 minus 2 times 180, which is equal to 360 degrees. Koroti tikaedha maangles aya 33 plus 90 plus 22 plus 360 minus m, sum yacho should be 360. That's how we get m. So let us do it. 33 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 22 degrees plus 360 minus m. It's degrees, remember, is equal to 360 degrees. So let us add what we can add. 33 plus 90 plus 22 ndiani? 33 plus 90 plus 22, it's 145. So 145 degrees plus 360 degrees minus m is equal to 360 degrees. Ndikada kuita chitsotsi chinonakidza panapa, but ngatidaro 360 tikaendesa kuside uku ingeta kuti 140 minus m handiti is equal to 360 yagara iriko minus 360 yatabvisa uko. Brought it's 140 degrees minus m is equals to 0 degrees. M ikauya kuside uku zongoreva kuti 140 degrees is equals to m. That will be our answer. Kureva kuti m ndiani i 145 degrees, and that's what m is. Hazvinetse kuverifya zvinezvi. Mukati 360 minus 145 apo unowana chi? Unowana 215. 215 iyoyo yamunowana mukazoti plus 33 plus 22 plus 90 muchawana 360, which is the sum total of interior angles of a quadrilateral. So that is what we wanted to do. Thank you to those who were with us. An invitation to those who want to join the family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and engage with us. To those who want extra lessons, get to us on these 2 numbers, but tinobatika WhatsApp. Then we see how best we can help each other. Thank you and have a nice day.